Welcome back, champions, on my channel. Today, we're bringing you some quick and easy healthy recipes that are not only delicious but also perfect for those busy days when you want to eat something nutritious without spending too much time in the kitchen. Let's get started. Our first recipe is a refreshing avocado chickpea salad. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and tons of flavor. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, diced. 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/2 cucumber, diced. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the diced avocado, chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. Drizzle the fresh lemon juice and olive oil over the mixture. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and gently toss everything together. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley for an extra burst of flavor. Your avocado chickpea salad is ready to serve. It's perfect for a quick lunch or light dinner option. Next up, we have a delightful one-pan baked salmon with vegetables. It's a hassle-free dish that's loaded with nutrients. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon dried rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. Lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the salmon fillets in the center of a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Arrange the broccoli florets, cherry tomatoes, and sliced red bell pepper around the salmon. Drizzle olive oil over the salmon and vegetables, and sprinkle minced garlic, dried thyme, dried rosemary, salt, and pepper. Gently toss the vegetables to coat them in the seasonings and olive oil. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Serve with lemon wedges on the side for added zing. Conclusion: there you have it, 2 quick and easy healthy recipes that are perfect for anyone looking to maintain a nutritious diet while keeping things simple in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional or just want to enjoy a delicious meal without the fuss, these recipes are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Let us know in the comments below which recipe you're excited to try, and if you have any other recipe ideas, feel free to share them with us. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.